What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have another update on Spell Token. And as you guys can see, over the last approximately 10 days it has been more or less hitting green candles and has pumped up quite a bit. So we're going to be looking at, is this a recovery of Spell Token? Is it going to keep pumping up in value, or is it going to crash back down over the coming days or weeks? We're going to be covering its short-term and long-term prediction, as well as both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is now the right time to get into Spell Token? Is it too late, or is it time to sell it and take out your profit? And for those of you guys who have not invested into the crypto yet, is this a crypto still worth investing into in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the bottom we've got the MACD indicator, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator. And we can see Spell Token is still above the average value, and it's actually trading here in red, so it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Spell Token? So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by tonight, tomorrow morning to tomorrow midday, an overall fluctuation value is what is expected, which I also agree with. I'm not expecting any major movements from Spell Token at the moment. The reason is it has pumped up quite a bit. It is likely to take a little bit of a breather before it pumps back up again, potentially towards the end of Feb, early March. But at the moment I'm expecting it to hover around the 0.0006 cents value, so somewhere around here is where it's likely to be trading at. But again, it is likely to hit both green and red candles in between, ups and downs. But by the end of next week, the crypto should be hovering around its current price range, is what I'm expecting, with very minimal changes. Sorry, not by end of next week, by midday tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit more bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction. Even though the blue line is not looking as steep as the orange line, the fact is that they are both heading upwards, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Spell Token over the next 7 to 8 days. So by the end of next week, the crypto should be hovering over 0.00065 cents. Above this value here is where I'm expecting it to be trading at, depending on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs as well. But again guys, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Spell Token. But that does not mean that it's likely to keep hitting green candles consistently over the next 7-8 days. It is likely to hit the odd red day here and there in between, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now zooming into the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, we have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, which means it's not realistic because it is looking way too steep. The reason is looking quite steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of days. As you guys can see, over the week it has pumped up 18%, and over the month just about 9%. So at the moment it is performing quite well. So early to mid-April I'm expecting it to get very close to 0.001 cent in value. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, Bitcoin halving is coming, as I keep mentioning. This would have an impact, or a major impact even, on the crypto market, which I will keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, when it comes to Spell Token, the Fibonacci scale is kind of useless because, as we can see, it is trading at its lowest part in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone or even the resistance target, it is going to require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting to happen anytime soon, not this year anyway. So for now, we are going to be stuck in the red zone for most of 2024. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up just about 12% in the last 24 hours, making it $10 million in trading. Reason for the little increase in trading is because the crypto has been pumping a little bit over the last couple of hours, as you guys can see here. So a lot more people have started to look into it, and most people have also started to trade it from both buyers and sellers point of view as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Spell Token, guys. For those of you asking, would I invest into the crypto right now, either for the short term or the long term? Simple answer from my prediction and the analysis I have done is no, I wouldn't invest into it. Reason is, it's pumped up quite a bit. It's a little bit too late. I'd rather invest into a different crypto. And for those of you asking, is now the right time to sell it if I am on a profit for Spell Token? Yes, it is, but I would not sell all of it. So if I had $500 into Spell Token, I would probably take out about 25%. So take out 25% and keep the remaining 75% still invested into Spell Token, meaning I've taken out some profit and I've also got some investment into Spell Token for the long term, which in my opinion does work both ways. It's a win-win situation, as I've taken out profit and I'm still holding on to it as well, or majority I'm still holding on to. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Spell Token. Comment down below what your expectations and predictions are on this crypto for 2024. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.